Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can reverse Google image search on your Infinix 12 Pro Note. So there is two ways for it, by Google Lens and by the web browser. So we start from the Google Lens way. So we have to open the gallery. And now just choose the photo that you want to search in the Google. I will choose that one. So now just click on this Google Lens icon, and here you can see Google looking for similar photos automatically. Okay, this is the first method. By the second way, it's we have to open the web browser and go to the google.com. You can see there we have a small camera icon, but this is not that what we need. So we have to open this 3-dot icon, and it's very important step, just enable a desktop site. Now just tap on this camera icon again and choose upload a photo. Allow a permission to gallery and choose the photo that you want to search. And that's it. How you can see now Google looks for similar images. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.